So here we are. We're in Tallahassee, Florida, and we're headed over here to the Old City Cemetery. In search of what is known as the Witch's Grave.
What's the music playing?
I think it's a game day. We're in Tallahassee, and that's a home of Florida State. Yep.
Yeah.
The band's playing.
It's Saturday. That's kind of cool.
I mean, it's not like a Husker game or anything. Guys, this are old.
Oh wow.
Old.
You can walk your dog here and just have it on a leash.
Oh, that's cool. So if you do have a dog and you want to stop over here, just leash up your dog. Walking tour of the old cemetery.
I don't know why we like these. Why we like cemeteries.
I don't know.
I think it's cool to see like the headstones and like kind of know their story in a way.
I agree. We are in search of Elizabeth Budd Graham,
Known as
the Witch's
Grave.
So we'll journey through, show you some stuff here. But if you are new here,
Hello, hi, and welcome.
we are so glad we finally are together again after 2 weeks of me playing in Houston and you having to work in Orlando. Oh well. But we are so excited. We were just sitting there, we're on our way back to Houston so we can go to Dallas.
So new series.
Yes.
Spoiler alert. Beep beep.
So we're Echo Travel Adventures. We are trying to do more travel videos. That's why we're here in Tallahassee.
Yes, but if you can please subscribe. We're trying to get to at least 1,000 subscribers so we can go live with you guys because we want to know you more. Just like you're getting to know us a little bit more, but we want to get more intimate with you guys.
Yes. Yeah, for sure. And we're really excited. Thank you for stopping by.
Share with your family, friends.
Yes.
Like and comment.
And we hope you enjoy this video. It might be a little spooky-ish, maybe.
It's spooky season. I'm wearing my shirt. Hey.
I'm just wearing some boring shirt. But we really do. This is really cool, how old the place is.
We are going to be very respectful, of course. We got a little bit loud. We apologize.
I'm looking at the stuff. Sorry. I got distracted.
Let's go.
Yes. So where we did our intro is right over here. We walked around and we found her. This is Elizabeth Budd Graham.
Known as Betsy.
Oh, okay. This is...
It is September 11th.
Yes. And we got Toby Keith.
You can't hear me.
You got Toby Keith.
Say what day.
Blasting an awesome song for today because today is
September 11th.
Yeah. I'm trying to remember what day it is. Alright, so Bessie is actually the nickname of Elizabeth Budd Graham, who was actually 23 when she died in 1889, leaving behind a husband and 2 small children. She was laid to rest in one of Tallahassee's most elaborate tombs, surrounded by a stone wall, large sculptured feathers, ivy, and a cross inside of a crown. There's no doubt this is the most expensive grave in 1889, considering that the wooden markers were still common at that time. Historians are not sure why Bessie raided such a fancy burial place or who paid for it, although there's a traditional yarn about how she bewitched a wealthy man into marrying her, and he wanted to commemorate her with the most elaborate stone in the cemetery. The description right here says, broken is the golden bowl, the spirit flown forever, let the bell toll, a saintly soul floats on the Stygian river. Come, let the burial rite be read, the funeral song be sung, an anthem for the queenliest dead, that dead so young, a dirge for her the doubly dead, in that she died so young. And this is why people call her a witch, because of the whole White Witch, which is from the little poem that's on her tomb. A lot of people bring a lot of gifts. We didn't bring a gift. That stinks. We should have brought a gift, Amber. So after doing a little bit more research, about a couple of decades after she died, a lot of people were saying that she used witchly magic to marry her husband, which is kind of sad. You know, I mean, yeah, okay, you got some gold diggers around sometimes, but maybe she did love the guy. We don't know.
How cool the sun is beating though from the back.
I know.
With the trees, like it's beautiful.
And if you look around, I mean, there's some nice grave sites here, but this one by far is the biggest, and I would venture to say the most beautiful one here. I really like it. Oh, that's a good shot right here. I like that shot. All right, we're going to venture around. Bessie, we're sorry that there's some negative
energy.
Yeah, and stories about you. I don't believe that for a second. I think you actually loved your husband.
Thank you for letting us visit, Bessie.
Yeah. Guy, we're just taken back. I know we're kind of in the same spot, but this is just awesome. I mean, we've been to a lot of cemeteries.
I like this one. And it's the oldest.
And, you know, we kind of like looking, we kind of play, I don't want to say play a game, but sometimes you kind of do.
1817.
Yeah. Born. But sometimes you walk through and you're kind of like, let's see how old the oldest tombstone is.
But just how pretty they were back then still.
Yeah.
Compared to like what we have now. But like how they keep them so clean as much as you can, because look at the headstones, like with, especially living in Florida.
Yeah.
Like, wow.
This is crazy. Our friends, Grim Life Collective, I don't know if they've ever been here, but I'm sure they would love this place. We got like white marble over here.
That's crazy. Look at the fences.
I know. They're, what's it called, wrought iron?
Yeah.
Wow.
And it's what, 9:30 right now.
We'll have to find out why there's so many obelisks.
But it's cool though. That's probably what, I mean, this is the oldest one.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have all kinds of that stuff.
Look at these old ones over here. So these are the ones I was telling you about. They actually don't have any kind of lettering on it. It's just unmarked.
Well, I think.
Oh, there's one that does have, the one over here. It's just been they're so old that they just don't have any lettering on it. We did find one that's a military grave, and he was on the USS Union.
Wow.
This is crazy. This is just, I say crazy, but this is like really cool just to kind of be here.
That one. Oh, that's so good.
Yeah. You just tell that time, it's almost 200 years. You know, and time hasn't been his friend.
I don't want to be forgotten.
No.
Like, I would want people, like, to come and see, even though we don't know them, just kind of, like, pay our respects in that way.
Yeah.
I think that's why, like I was telling Brian, that's why we're, like, really into the paranormal, because we want to get to know them and know their stories so we can tell others.
Yeah. That's true. Amber did point out this one marker, and the artistry work on it is really, really cool. So you have the drapery. I don't know if that's what it's called. And then you have a Bible on top. I feel like today's gravesite or markers are kind of just bleh.
Compared?
Yeah, except for my grandpa's. My grandpa's is pretty badass. Aw. That's sad. You can't even see the names anymore. There's another one over there. Less than 6 months.
Is that what it says?
1918.
1923?
So over there in the back, underneath in the shade, that is the Union.
Oh yeah, all the flags.
The Union graves, and then over here, over there by where we were, with Bessie's grave marker, those were the Confederate. There's a lot more graves over here, but we're gonna head out. It is very peaceful and quiet. So we want to thank you guys for stopping by. We hope we didn't give Bessie any kind of disjustice from what she deserves. But if you are new here, thank you again for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, like and follow, all that great stuff that we always try to say. And we will definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.